Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Olga Olivia Shaydina with student ID 22019072. And here I will explain about line chart. A line chart is a type of a chart that uses lines to show how data changes over time. It is made by connecting points with straight lines. Each point represents a value at a specific time or category. Line charts are useful for showing trends or patterns in data. For example, they can show how temperatures change throughout the year, how sales increase or decrease, or how students' grades improve over time. Why are line charts useful? Line charts are helpful because they show changes over time. You can see if something is increasing, decreasing, or staying the same. Number 2, make trends easy to understand. The line helps visualize patterns clearly. Number 3, compare multiple data sets. You can add more than one line to compare different categories. And the last one are simple and effective. They display data in a clean and organized way. Parts of a line chart. A line chart has several key parts. For the first one, title. Explain what the chart is about. Line chart is also have x-axis or horizontal line represents time or categories like months, years, or products. Y-axis vertical line represents value like sales, temperature, or scores. And data points, small dots that show values at specific points. And lines connect the data points to show trends over time. And the legend is optional. Explain what each line represents if there is more than one line. So here, example of a line chart. Let's say we want to show how the temperature changes over 5 months. Here is a line chart showing how temperatures change over 5 months. The blue line represents the trend, increasing from 10 Celsius in January to 25 Celsius in May. This chart helps us easily understand the temperature rise over time. Where can line charts be used? Line charts are used in many areas such as weather reports to show temperature changes over days, months, or years. Business and sales to track profits, sales, or customer growth. Education to show students' progress in exams or attendance rates. And health and fitness to track weight loss, heart rate, or step count over time. And stock market to display price changes of stocks and investments. While line charts are useful, they also have some limitations. They are not ideal for small data sets with only a few points. If there are too many lines, the chart can become confusing. And they are best for continuous data like time-based trends and not for unrelated categories. For the conclusion, line charts are a great way to visualize data that changes over time. They help people see trends, patterns, and comparisons easily. Whether in business, education, or daily life, line charts are valuable tools for analyzing information. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.